Okay, stand up, children. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, good. Sit down. So let's start our lesson. There are puzzles. You must find the today's theme. Балалар мына жерде жаңағы мозаика берілген суретте, соны құрастырып біз бүгінгі тақырыбымызды анықтайық, иә? Okay, who wants? Who wants? Алима? Алима, come to the blackboard. Still here. Okay, good. Who is the next? Next, Sabina. Sabina. Yes, good. Next, one eye. Good. Okay, next, one eye. Yes, sit down. Next, Khadija. And the last, are you? Come to the blackboard. Okay, sit down. Okay, watch picture. How do you think? Children, watch picture this is.
Independence Monument.
Yes?
Independence
Monument. Very good. Today is our theme, Independence
Day.
Kazakhstan. Independence Day of Kazakhstan. Okay. So children, when we celebrate Independence Day, raise your hands. Alima?
16th of December.
Okay, good, Alima. 16th of December. And how many years of Independence Day of Kazakhstan? Kumanay? How many years? 30 years. Of course. Kazakhstan мемлекетінің тәуелсіздігіне қанша жыл?
30 жыл.
Okay, so let's start our lesson. Open your copybooks, write down today's day and our theme. 30 years of Independence Day of Kazakhstan. Okay, open your vocabulary copybooks, write down today's new words. Open your vocabulary copybooks, write down today's new words. For example, first of all, listen to me and repeat after me. Listen to me. The first word, border, national, republic, anthem, state, independence. Okay, children, if you finish write down the words, look at the blackboard. There is a video about Kazakhstan. You watch video about Kazakhstan, and what do you think? What about this video? What about this video?
President.
Our first president, Nursultan Nazarbayev, and in 1991, a declaration about the independence of Kazakhstan was adopted. Yes, and other information. What are those?
Our flag.
Our flag. There are our national symbols, Republic of Kazakhstan, our anthem, and the flag, and the national emblem. Yes, and the other. Many buildings. Yes. What kind of buildings do you know? What? Manshatter. Yes. Байтерек. Sabina? Ahorda. Okay, good. The next, and the other information about this video. Jonali?
Our champion.
Our champions. Okay, sit down. Okay, children. Over 30 years in Kazakhstan there are built many buildings, and one of these our school. Yes. Балалар, жаңағы ғимараттардың біріне біздің мектебіміз жатады екен, иә? 2010 жылы бұл бізге жаңағы 100 мектеп және 100 аурухана бағдарламасы арқылы салынған болатын. And our national currency, біздің мемлекеттік жаңағы ақшамыз, иә? Қандай біздің мемлекеттік ақшамыз? Теңге. Good. Next, our buildings. There is our school. 100 мектеп, 100 аурухана бағдарламасы арқылы салынған. Okay, good. The next, our task. We must read and translate text about Kazakhstan, my motherland. Yes, how do you translate my motherland?
Менің елім.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Sabina, let's read and translate.
I want to tell you about my homeland. Мен өз отанымды айтқым келеді.
Okay, next.
My homeland is Kazakhstan. Менің отаным Қазақстан.
Yes.
Kazakhstan is independent republic. Kazakhstan terrorist mемлекет.
This is мемлекет. Good.
Central Asia.
Central Asia. Yes, good. Inovat.
Its population is 90 million. Қазақстанда 19 миллион халық бар.
Yes. What's the next sentence?
Нұр-Сұлтан is the capital of Kazakhstan. Нұр-Сұлтан Қазақстанның астанасы.
Yes. Ayana.
The territory of Kazakhstan is Қазақстанның шекарасы өте үлкен.
Yes. Next.
Focus on China in the east and the Caspian Sea in the west, Russia in the north, and the status of Asia in the south. Көптеген елдермен шектеседі. Қытай Каспий теңізі, Ресей және Азия елдермен шектеседі.
Азия елдермен шектеседі, Алима.
Kazakhstan has 40 regions, 84 cities. Қазақстанда 14 аудан, 84 қала бар.
Yes, good. Next.
Kazakh is the official language of the country, but Russian and other languages are spoken here too. Қазақ тілі мемлекеттік тіл, бірақ та орыс тілде басқа тілдер де қолданылады.
Okay, good. Next.
Kazakhstan has hundreds of nationalities. People speak their native language.
Native language. Okay, translate.
Қазақстанда жүзден аса ұлт бар. Оның барлығы өз тілінде сөйлейді.
Өз тілдерінде де сөйлейтіндері бар. Хатиджа.
There are many big industrial centers in Kazakhstan, such as Karaganda, Almaty, Semey, and Shymkent.
Yes, translate.
Қазақстанда көптеген қалалар бар. Олар Қарағанды, Семей, Алматы, Шымкент.
Алматы, Шымкент. The next, Алима.
Our president's name is Kassym-Jomart Tokayev. Kazakhstan has its own flag, anthem, and national traditions. National traditions and holidays. I think the most important holiday in our country is Independence Day. I'm proud of my country.
Okay, translate.
Біздің мемлекеттің президенті Қасым-Жомарт Тоқаев Қазақстанның өзінің туы әнұраны елтаңбасы бар. Мен өз еліммен мақтанамын.
Okay, good. Sit down. Okay. Do you understand this text?
Yes.
Okay, good. The next your task exercise true or false. Дұрыс немесе бұрыс жақты бояп. This information about Kazakhstan. Мына ақпараттар бала жаңағы мәтіндегі Қазақстан туралы ақпараттар дұрыс немесе бұрыс жақты орындаймыз. You have 1 minus for this task. Let's start. You have 1 minute. Okay, children, are you finished? Yes. The first sentence, please. Are you? Read the first sentence.
Kazakhstan is an independent republic. True.
Is it?
True.
Is it true? Yes. Next sentence. Go on,
Its population is 20 million. False.
Is it?
False.
Is it false? How many population in Kazakhstan?
20 million.
19 million. Yes, good. Next, Khadija.
Kazakh is the official language of the country. Is it true?
Is it true? Yes. Next. Protagonist.
There are many big industrial centers in Kazakhstan, such as Karaganda, Almaty, Semey, and Shymkent.
Yes. Is it true or false?
True.
Is it true? Okay. The next sentence, Khadija.
The most important holiday in our country is 2nd March.
22nd March. Is it true or false?
Is it false?
Is it false? Okay, children. You know Kazakh national dance, yes? And which kind of dance do you know in Kazakh? Name? Amazhai. Yes. And I see you are tired. Let's dance our national dance. Tolonai, help me. Okay, stand up. Let's dance our national dance. Хорошо. Look and repeat. Yes? thank you. Sit down, Polane. The next our task, find and tell. Ойлан және тап деген, иә, келесі балалар. There are many buildings in our country and you must find these buildings. Okay, the first picture. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Are you? It is Байтерек. Yes. Is it right answer? Алима? Yes. Is it? Building? Хан Шатыр. Okay, the next picture. Onay?
Nur Astana.
Moscow, Nur Astana. Nur Astana мешіті. Good. Okay, the next picture. Ayolum?
Abuda.
Yes. Is it building? Abuda. Okay, children. The next your task. You must match. There is holidays in Kazakhstan. Yes? You know there are many holidays in Kazakhstan. You must match these words. For example, the 1st of June. What is the 1st of June? Alima? Come to the blackboard and match. The 1st of June. National Symbols Day. Yes, okay, good. The next, 22nd of March. What was? 22nd of March. Read it and translate.
22 Наурыз
Nauruz? Miraman. Yes. Next. Okay, the next, 6th of July. Year. City. Translate. Okay, sit down. 1st of December. Chanali. 1st of December. Which holiday? Read.
1st of December, the first President's Day.
Translate.
Бірінші желтоқсан президент күні.
Алғашқы президент күні. Okay, the next 16th of December. Алима. 16th of December. Yes, read.
16th of December, Independence Day.
Yes, translate.
16-шы желтоқсан тәуелсіздік күні.
Тәуелсіздік күні. Good. The next. Okay, the next 1st of May. Айдана. Which holiday? Yes. Read. 1st of May.
1st of May, Unity
Day. Бірінші мамыр. Қандай мейрам дедік?
Бірінші мамыр
Бірлік күні. Good. Next. 8th of March. 8th of March. 8th of March. Ayım. Қолдарды көтерілді. 8th of March. Yes. Read. Read.
8th of March.
What's holiday? International
Women's Day.
Women's Day. Translate.
8-ші наурыз халықаралық әйелдер күні.
Yes, is it right? Sit down. And the last, the 1st of September. The 1st of September. Who is? Khadija? The 1st of September.
1st September.
Which? Day. Yes. And then translate. Okay, translate.
1st of September Knowledge Day. Birinchi qirkuyuk bilim olу kuni.
Okay, good. Sit down. Yes. Boys and girls, do you understand this holiday?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. The next, our task, look at the blackboard and put the words in the correct order and make sentence. You must make sentence. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. You have 1 minute. 1 minute. Write down true sentence. Bir minut vaqtlarim bor. Bir javoblarimni tezlatib yoza qo'ying. Okay, are you finished?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's check the first sentence. Polonay.
The Republic of Kazakhstan is situated in the Central Asia.
Central Asia, good. Next. The next sentence. Polonay.
Kazakh traditionals, markets, instruments is a dombra.
Is a dombra. Okay, good. And the last sentence, Arima.
The capital of Kazakhstan is Nur-Sultan City.
Okay, sit down. Boys and girls, look at the blackboard. There is a task, polyglot. You must find the word and translate into three languages: Kazakh, Russian, and English. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's start. The first sentence. Onay.
Oku bilim bulağı, bilim ömür şırağı.
Yes.
Oku, знание, study.
Oku, знание, study. Yes, good. The next sentence. Ayana.
Ата көрген оқжанар, ана көрген томпішер, ана, мама, мази.
The next. Onay.
Отан дастық, отан родина мазал.
Родина Мазлан. Good. The next. The next. Inova.
Отан отбасыдан басталады. Отбасы, семья, family.
Yes, family. Good. The next. Жанали.
Қабат-қабат қаптама, ақылың болса аттама. Кітап, книга,
Yes, of course. The next. The next. Хадиджа.
As or first,
Home.
home is best.
Best. Home.
Home и дом.
Yes. And the last. Ayım.
Отансыз адам, ормансыз бұлбұл. Адам, человек, хайуан.
Human. Yes, of course. Thank you. There is a map, our country, our Kazakhstan. And there is a regions, 14 regions. Значит, балар 14 область берілгенде. You must answer the question and stick here. Сұрақтарға жауап беріп, мына жерге облыстарды орналастырамыз. Yes, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, are you ready? Who is the first? Okay, who wants? Polonay. Read your answer. Read your question and then answer. Read.
Kazakh national drink.
National.
National drink. Ұлттық сусындар.
Ұлттық сусындар. Answer.
Камаз.
Камаз. And Шубат. And milk. Okay. Stick. Quickly. The next answer. Alima, come here. Come here. Sit down. Read.
The first president of Kazakhstan.
The first president of Kazakhstan.
Nursultan Nazarbayev.
Okay, stick. The next, quickly.
The color of the flag of Kazakhstan. Tudunsa.
Lunsa. Your answer?
Blue yellow.
Blue and yellow. Okay, stick. The next. The next, Butagos.
Holidays in Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan мейрамдары. Independence Day, Nauruz.
Nauruz. Okay, good. Stick. The next. Next. Ayım. Read. read your question.
What is the official language in Kazakhstan? We dictated Kazakh language.
Kazakh language. Okay, good. The next. Who is the next? Janali?
Kazakh national dance.
Karajnova and Hamashai. Okay, stick. Okay, good children. And look at the blackboard. There is a feedback. If you it was interesting and I like it, our lesson, stick here. It was okay, I learned something new. It was stick here. And I have some questions, stick here. I will give you some stickers and you must write down here and stick. Yes? Okay, are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, come to the blackboard and stick here. You feel it. Sit down. Okay, Alima, look at your words. Where is your words?
It is was interesting. I like it.
And I like it. Okay, good. Sit down. Boys and girls, open your diary and write down your home task. Балалар, күнделікті ашып тапсырмасы жазайық. Your homework, find information about the traditions of Kazakhstan. You must find information about the traditions of Kazakhstan. Okay, so children, let's conclude our lesson and let's marking. Yes, and I ask you a question. What marks give you yourself? What marks give you yourself, Sabina?
I give myself good.
Good. Yes,
I give myself very good.
Very good. Why?
Because I worked hard.
Because you work hard. Yes, next. Your name?
Myself very good.
Very good.
I give myself
Good, not clear. Another?
I give myself good.
Yes, good. Next.
I give myself very good.
Are you a woman? Very good. Okay.
I give myself very good.
Very good.
I give myself very good.
Very good. Aima?
I give myself very good.
Why?
Because I worked
Hard.
hard.
Hard? Yes?
I give myself very good. I give myself very good.
Very good. Why?
Because I work hard.
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, children, our lesson is over. Thank you for activities. And I believe you are understand all information about Kazakhstan. Thank you for lesson. Stand up. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, teacher.